It's Oktoberfest, and we're having smoked bratwurst. Hey, welcome back to Smoking and Drinking. I'm Mike, and it's Oktoberfest, and we're out at the lake, and we're going to make some bratwurst today. We've got some bratwurst from our meat counter, and we're going to smoke that on the Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill, and we're going to use Whistle Pig pellets. We'll smoke these for about an hour at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's get started. All right, we've got our Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill set on smoker, and we've got some Whistle Pig pellets in the hopper, and we're just waiting for that to ignite those pellets, and then we'll get the bratwurst on the grill. We've got our Ninja preheated, and the pellets are lit, so we got it set on 250. Let's go ahead and get them going here. All right, just let those go for about an hour. It's been about 30 minutes, and we're just gonna turn them and maybe take a temp check just for kicks. They look nice. Probably wouldn't have to turn them, but I usually turn my brats just to make sure they're evenly cooked on all sides. Let's go ahead and take a temp just for curiosity's sake. So they're just about 160. So we want to get them up to 165. So we'll let them back on. We'll go another 15 minutes and check them again. Be right back. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at them. See how our brats are doing. Oh, they are nice. They look good. Let's take a temp reading, see where we're at. Oh yeah, we're done. We're at 185. That is good. We're gonna go ahead and get these off of here. Of course, you can't have bratwurst without some sauerkraut, so we're going to heat up a little bit of sauerkraut that we made at home from scratch, and I'll put a link to that video here, and this will be in keeping with our Oktoberfest theme. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Oh, that's delicious. Nice smoked flavor on that brat, sauerkraut. That's delicious. Of course, you gotta have beer. Oktoberfest is all about beer, brats. This is a homemade pale ale that I made. I'll put a link to that video. You can see that. Give that a taste. Oh yeah, that goes good. Beer and brats, doesn't get any better. Well, that's it for Smoking and Drinking. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you keep up with all of our videos. And as always, Prost!